we start the video, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications and smash that like button to get notified for new videos. Now let's start with the Ironman mouse. So this is what it looks like. On top of his eyes here, there are 2 click buttons, and on top of his nose here, there is a scroll wheel. Now let me show you what it looks like when I turn it on. Blue. His eyes right here, and at the back right here, that's where the laser goes. Now let me turn it off. The Ironman stereo speaker. Now before we unbox this, there are 2 types of Ironman you can get, the War Machine or the red and gold. Now the speakers are on this side. They're really squishy. Now this is my first time handling one, so I don't know how to play it. Let me see how do you turn it on. Call my dad soon. But let me just show you. I'm going to go to my dad, so yeah. So if you want me to do a part 2, as I said earlier at the start of the video, you should hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and hit the like button so you can get notified for more videos, or if you want to do a part 2. And if you want me to do a new series where I give you house tours, unboxing, stuff like that, and yeah, you should put it in the chat or the description below, where there's a link for future videos. Now, I'm going to show you a secret clap that only you guys can memorize. 1, 2, 3, and